Hi there, Neil from Richter, and welcome to another video. As you can see behind me, another exciting new project for us. So this is a brand new VW Caddy. It's actually a dealer demonstrator. Really popular, that popular that already we've pre-sold that vehicle, so we've got a deposit on it for when it comes back from the dealer, which is fantastic. Really popular. We're always asked, we've got tons and tons for Transporter. Whenever we take our dealers out to Germany, they're always saying, we want something for Caddy, we want something for Caddy. In general, apps don't offer anything, purely because in Europe it's not a leisure vehicle at all. It's purely essentially a builder's van in Europe, and there's no market for it, and it's very tough to design a kit just for a single market like the UK. What we've done, we've been to various suppliers and sourced various bits of kit, put it together as a package, and as you'll see behind me, I think it's really worked well. So this is actually a pure grey van. It has to be the best colour. It's a very popular colour on Transporter. As you can see from the front, we've got this lower black front splitter in the gloss black. And I think with the gloss black going through the front grille and everything else against the pure grey, really works well. We're in two minds. The actual main lower grille, there's a lot of grey down there. Some people are saying we should paint it gloss black, some people are saying leave it pure grey, so I'd love to know what you think in the comments. Already the new customer is saying he might go for it all in black, but yeah, there's kind of no right or wrong with all of these. So as I say, it'd be great to see what you think in the comments and how you would tailor it to your own specification. So now what we're going to do, we're going to move around to the side of the vehicle and show you what we've done there. So now as we move to the side of the vehicle, as you can see, it's a big transformation here as well. Again, we've got this gloss black theme. So the first and obvious thing you notice is a lovely set of 19-inch alloy wheels. Obviously they're fully load rated and fully load rated tyres as well for the obviously commercial vehicle. The other huge difference on the side is the suspension. We've gone for a full Bilstein suspension. The older Caddy, the previous version, was on leaf springs, so you couldn't properly lower a Caddy. Yes, people put all sorts of spring adjusters on and things like that for the leaf spring, but this is the proper first Caddy with, let's say, proper suspension, fully adjustable suspension. As I say, a full set of Bilstein coilovers. I actually picked this van up from Northampton this morning, drove it in along the M1, and it's absolutely incredible, the drive of it with that suspension over the bumps and whatever else. It's literally almost like driving something like a Golf GTD, something like that. Really impressed with the way the van drives. And as I say, with all the infotainment in this new van, it's literally like driving a Golf. We'll now pop around to the back of the vehicle and show you what we've got up to there. So as we now move to the back of the vehicle, the first thing you can see is this upper wing. It's a two-piece wing that works with the rear doors, obviously, in the gloss black. That's then designed to integrate in with this gloss black all around the rear lights, and I think we'll all agree that really does work. It just finishes off the look at the rear. The other change we may make, we may remove this Caddy logo and put this panel into pure grey as well. We're contemplating a rear lower diffuser, so when you look from the back of the vehicle, it is quite a clean look at the minute, but it's whether we add an additional lower diffuser. There are a couple of different ones on the market at the minute, so yeah, we may or may not do that in the future, depending on what the new owner requires. As we look in the back of the vehicle, it's currently fully ply lined, so as it's a demonstrator for a local VW dealer, that makes the most sense. It's a very practical lining. It can be used as a van, and it can just show that use. What we could obviously do is our full carpet lining package, which we've done on Caddy before. So if you can imagine a full carpet lining package, some USBs in the back, LED roof lights, and then a full leather interior in the front, what that would then do is make a real nice leisure vehicle. For example, if you're fishing or something like that, it'd be a real classic leisure vehicle that we can make out of this. So yeah, as I say, it's really exciting for us. We've been asked for years to do Caddy, and glad we finally managed to get some kit together from various suppliers. So again, we'd love to know what you think in the comments, or what other vehicles we should do in the future. So yeah, as I say, we'd love to know what you think, and we'll catch up in the next video.